Yes, you may have already seen it by the video title, but we have got another bird. This one is a thrush, female, and as you can see by the way she walks, she's very clumsy. Okay, you coming? She can't even hop up. Very unstable on her feet. She has been eating and drinking, and she's showing already a lot more energy than when we found her, or Cody found her. But yeah, hope we can save her and let her free soon enough. So we're now feeding him. We just open his beak and put the food in the back of his throat. Her throat, I mean. It's a female thrush. She might seem pretty strong now, but she's pretty weak. All topsy-turvy, falling over, can't walk properly.
Don't squeeze too much on the chest because that's where the stomach sits. It needs to fill up her stomach.
Alright, quick update. We've been feeding her. This is after the third time of feeding her. She is growing a lot more stronger already from the first time that I saw her to now. She is fighting the food we give her a lot more. We just give it to her in a syringe in the back of her throat, as her mother normally would. But, so she's rejecting it quite a bit more, and she's struggling quite a bit more. But her legs have got like this slit in them. It could just be that the two bones that are in the bottom of your leg normally, or arm, are two bones, and that there's a slit there, and we don't normally notice it. Or perhaps she may have fallen from a great height, considering she can't fly, and she has fractured her bones, and then her skin has made that very obvious. But we hope she will get better. She's getting a lot stronger, but she's still very flimsy and unable to even walk properly. And when she does a poo, sometimes it's super dark, and once or twice we've seen her poo, and what's left over, there's some blood in it, so we believe something has happened internally, and she is now internally bleeding. Didn't happen when we had her in our care. Happened when, obviously, when she got hit to the ground. She may have gotten attacked by a cat or something. But she is internally bleeding, which is not very good. But we hope that we can fix that. So this is a new morning. Overnight, he didn't make it. He's now sitting there. And he isn't moving. He died overnight. Obviously what was inside of him, or what had happened to him, was too serious, and he couldn't get through it, despite our help to him. But yeah, we tried.